afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Plaza Hotel. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name John Rodriguez.
Thank you, Mr. Rodriguez. Could you please spell your last name for me?
Sure. It's R O D R I G U E Z.
I apologize for the inconvenience, but there seems to be a mistake. I can see a reservation for a John Rodriguez, spelled Rodriguez. Is that you?
Oh, I'm sorry for the confusion. Yes, that's me. I didn't realize my last name was misspelled.
Not a problem, Mr. Rodriguez. Thank you for bringing it to my attention. Now, let me check your reservation details. You have a reservation for a deluxe room for 3 nights, starting today. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Wonderful! Our deluxe rooms offer a breathtaking view of the city skyline. I'm sure you'll enjoy your stay. Could you please provide me with a form of identification, such as your passport or driver's license?
Sure, here's my driver's license.
Thank you, Mr. Rodriguez. Everything seems to be in order now. We have a special offer for our guests. During your stay, you can enjoy complimentary breakfast at our restaurant every morning. Additionally, our concierge desk is available 24/7 to assist you with any inquiries or requests you may have. Is there anything specific you'd like to know or any other assistance you need at the moment?
No, thank you. That all sounds great. I'm looking forward to my stay here.
Perfect. If you have any questions or need anything during your stay, please don't hesitate to ask. Enjoy your time at the Grand Plaza Hotel.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your help.